have the holy springs of Tirta Empul. It's about a 30-minute motorbike drive north of Ubud. We're about halfway there. Let's go. Tirta Empul is a holy spring located about 15 kilometers north of Ubud. It's thought to be an unusually clean water source and is therefore considered sacred by the locals. It's worth noting that you can't actually enter the temple if you're wearing shorts like these. You have to put on a sarong, which they conveniently provide for you here. Now, if you do plan on getting in the water, they do provide lockers and sarongs that you can enter the water with. It costs you about 25,000 rupee. You can keep all your belongings safe, and I don't have a line for this. This just looks like a cool shot. I'll see you in there. So here it looks like you get each one of the bath spouts, and you go down each one and you say a prayer or blessing for some type of good fortune. That's cool. That's so cool. Each of the 13 fountains in the holy bath is meant to represent a different kind of prayer. The way it works is you dunk your head under each fountain 3 times, each time giving some type of prayer or blessing for good fortune. That was cold. So many people from around the world. I love it. Despite being a Hindu establishment, the holy spring is open to and practiced by people of all different nationalities, cultures, and religions. What I think is fascinating is how so many people from all walks of life and different cultures come here to take part in such a specific ritual, if I can put it that way. Hope you guys enjoyed this adventure. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.